morning. So I hope you guys are doing so well. So I started off this morning going to a barre class. It was amazing. I'll talk about this a little bit more later on in the vlog, but my sister and I are doing a 14-day barre challenge where we go to a barre class every single day for 14 days. Because I've heard of like the Soul Cycle 30-day challenge where you go cycling for 30 days, so we wanted to do a little bit of a different take on that. And yeah, anyway, I'll talk about that a little bit more later. But now we just came back home and we're going to make ourselves some really healthy breakfast. At the barre class we were at today, they were having this event and they had like yogurt and chocolate and fruits and donuts and a bunch of things. So we really wanted to create the parfait, but a healthier version of it. So yeah, I'll show you guys what we do, and yeah. So it's been a few hours and I just ended up getting ready. I watched some Criminal Minds. Basically, I don't watch any TV. The only show that I watch is How to Get Away with the Murder, and it was on Netflix, and I finished the whole season 5, in literally like 2 days. And so when I get ready, I like to watch something, but with YouTube videos, I like to pay attention to what the people are doing and saying. So I just like to hear something in the background. So I started watching Criminal Minds. It's such a good show, and I love actiony things, so I'm like thriving off that show. But anyway, I'm heading out to meet my best friend Amirah, which you guys probably have seen her in my previous vlog, and we're just gonna spend the day together. And yeah, but basically I want to show you guys my outfit, and I want to talk to you guys about a naturopath appointment that I had, and because I mentioned that I had stomach issues before, so I want to elaborate on that a little bit. But yeah, let me show you my outfit first. So this is my outfit, and this is the trench that I just got recently from H&M. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I posted on my story this exact same jacket, but it's in a different color. So this is what it looks like. My turban is Rona Collection, always. I'm just wearing a white t-shirt underneath because I was going to wear a white sweater, but I just think it'll be too hot with the trench. And this is the trench. It's from H&M, and it's such a good deal. I got it for $35, I think, and for a trench that's this good of a quality, it's such a good deal. And then I'm wearing jeans from Gap, and my shoes are from Zara. The other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is my naturopath appointment. So let me sit you down for that 1 sec. Okay, so basically I went to my naturopath appointment yesterday, and I've been seeing a naturopath for a little over a year now. And the reason I was looking for a naturopath, basically, long story short, 2 years ago I got extremely sick, and I didn't think much of it at the time, and I was thinking, oh, you know, like stomach bug, whatever, it's no biggie. And then since then I just haven't been the same. My stomach, I would wake up, I literally would look like I'm 9 months pregnant, but I have not eaten anything for maybe like 14 hours prior to that. And I just was thinking, oh, you know, I probably just gained weight. It's like, you know, but also that didn't make sense because I'm always eating healthy and I'm working out. Nothing changed, so nothing changed, so how would something change? Do you know what I mean? So I was a little bit like unsure about it. I talked to my regular doctor about it, and they just put me on laxatives and just anything to make me not bloated. But that, I felt like that was just putting a band-aid on the problem, because the problem wasn't even solved. The laxatives didn't do anything. I still had really bad stomach pains, and to the point where I couldn't get out of bed. So basically I ended up finding a naturopath, and to be 100% honest with you, if I wasn't a realtor right now, I would be a naturopath. I am so passionate about that topic. Oh my god, like I'm obsessed. So I found a naturopath. She gave me some medicine. The medicine didn't do anything for me, and she put me on like 3 different rounds of it. Long story short, it's been a year since I've seen a naturopath. And then I was doing my research and I found this lady, and she is in Northeast. I will put her information down below. What I had, don't know if I still have it yet. We're still trying to figure that out. I had a small intestine problem where basically I had two, like, let's say you're supposed to have, I don't know the exact percentage, but let's say you're supposed to have 50% bad bacteria and 50% good bacteria in your body. And you're supposed to have bad bacteria in your body. That's completely normal. However, I had a lot more bad bacteria than good bacteria, which was causing my bloating, and I would have like food sensitivities and blah, blah, blah. So I ended up meeting with her yesterday. I might be doing acupuncture, and I'm praying that she'll let me record it, because that would be amazing. I think that a lot of people, especially a lot of people who don't get their periods or have hormone problems, I've heard a lot of people doing acupuncture to help with that. So it'd be really interesting to see how that would help with like stomach issues, you know? So first things first, I mentioned this in a haul before, I believe. I'm taking the Trader Joe's turmeric supplements, and I'm just taking this just because turmeric is naturally an anti-inflammatory. I don't know what my issue is right now, so I'm just taking whatever is going to keep my bloatness basically at bay. I feel like I live on medicine, but I'm taking this thing called Zypan, and this is the one I got prescribed to take yesterday. And the thing that I love about naturopathic medicine is that you're not taking antibiotics at all. A lot of it is from herbs, or it comes from different sources, more natural sources. So it doesn't have any side effects or very harsh, what's the word, like consequences to your body, you know? So I'm taking Zypan, and this apparently is supposed to, so you have your small intestine and then you have your large intestine. So this is supposed to basically help move food from your small intestine, taking it down to your larger intestine. Did that make any sense? Taking this, it's called Probiotic. It's a probiotic supplement, and this is, alongside this are the things that are producing a lot of good bacteria in my body to help balance out the good and bad together. And this one is called, I have no idea how to say it. I'm really excited because my naturopath, she's so relatable, which is what I love. Like, I love people who are humble and like you're down to listen to me and hear me out and listen to what I have to say. She does Chinese medicine. She is also a naturopath, and she does acupuncture. Like, can you get cooler than that? I honestly have no idea, but I'm so excited. So anyway, I have an appointment with her next week. Hopefully I'll vlog that if she lets me, and if not, I'll just fill you guys in. But yeah, that's basically it. A lot of times you'll probably hear me saying, oh, well, I can't have this, or I'm staying away from this, or whatever. And honestly, the only reason is for this. Like, if I can have dairy every single day for the rest of my life, I would do it. But I would be a bloated balloon at this point, you know? So sacrifices. But yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm done ranting. So I ended up switching up my outfit a little bit. I just added some earrings and this scarf that's tan, but it's a couple shades darker than my trench. So I think it adds a little bit more, because I felt like earlier it didn't look that put together, but now it kind of looks better basically. But let me show you what it looks like. So this would be the full outfit, and I ended up opening the trench coat. I don't know, I feel like it looks nicer like this. So that is the full look. So we are in like 23rd area, and we're about to go get some sushi. We're so excited. We're literally starving. We're so pumped. But anyway, see you soon. So we just finished sushi.
Yeah,
was
not
so
hangry.
Good. Yeah, we're not hangry anymore. It was so good, but now we have this thing where every time we go eat, we have to get something sweet. So we're deciding between Salt and Straw and Vivace. It's like a chocolate crepes place. It's so bomb.
Such a
so
choice.
yeah.
She's
anyway,
making me pick.
Yeah, so she's picking that because I picked dinner, so she's gonna pick dessert. And so we'll see where we end up, but we're gonna drive by both of them because they're in the same area and then see what we're feeling. Vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but before I close off, I just wanted to talk to you guys about Barre because I mentioned that I would talk about it earlier in the vlog. Basically, my sister and I decided we were going to do a 14-day Barre challenge, and I've tried Barre once before that and it was so challenging. And to go to the gym 14 days in a row, I have never done that before, or like work out 14 days in a row, you know what I mean? So I was a little bit apprehensive on how that would go because we didn't want to quit halfway through, and we also, if we made a commitment, we're gonna stick to it. And also they charge you a fee if you don't show up when you said you would and stuff like that. So we were really thinking about it and we said, you know what, we're totally gonna do it because, you know, there's like the Soul Cycle 30-day challenge and we wanted to do our own take on it, and it was awesome. Today was actually the last day of Barre and it was so bittersweet because the instructors are so amazing and the workouts are super challenging, and predominantly a lot of it is body weight, but you would be surprised by how much work it takes in that class. Like, I have never left a class not sweating like crazy. But yeah, it was so awesome. And what I did is they have this new membership deal that me and my sister did. So it's $50 for 2 weeks unlimited. So we just took advantage of it and then did it for 2 weeks straight, you know, for the challenge. And yeah, we're definitely going to be back, but we're gonna stop for now just because Ramadan's coming up and we don't want to get a package because that would just be pointless, you know what I mean? But anyway, yeah, so, and also another thing I wanted to mention too is that you can do Barre on ClassPass. So ClassPass has all the Barre studios on there. So if you would rather take that class once in a while and then take a cycling class or a yoga class or whatever, then ClassPass might be better. Like personally, I have the ClassPass membership where I pay $49 a month right now and I get 27 credits a month, and for me that works better because I can do a variety of different things and that way I can kind of diversify my workouts when I wanted to do them, you know what I mean? Yeah, so that basically sums up the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried the flavors from Salt and Straw for this month? I think they're more flowery based, but anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!